Welcome to another episode of the GSatTrack How-To series. In this video, I'm going to show you how to generate an activity report. Activity reports are typically a good way for you to understand everything your group of assets or individual assets has been doing over a period of time. So I'm going to begin by coming to our navigation panel. I'm then going to click on the Reports button. I'm then going to go to Activity Report. I can choose to view either all my assets, specific groups of assets, or specific assets themselves. For this purpose, I'm going to choose my group. I'm then going to choose employees, which is the only group I have visibility to. I've got my date range set for the last week. I'm going to show details. I have the option of looking at the activity report as a summary or show details, which gives me much more in-depth information regarding what my people may have been doing. So, click on Run Report. Now that I've done that, I can go ahead and see who's been doing what. Right now, we can see that Eugene has been very busy traveling around. We can get the date that a position came in, his relative address, his latitude and longitude. We also have the ability to see what speed it was traveling at, his heading, altitude. So with this, because it's in the system, we can actually go ahead and click on a latitude and longitude, and it will take us to that known position. We're going to be able to bring up exactly what he was doing at that time, at least on the map in a spatial reference. Now we can see that there are several different locations that he's had in the activity, but the one position that we clicked on came up right here. We can see all the information. We can see where he's at, the address. We can go through the historical information line by line. So going back to that activity report, the other thing that we're able to do is we can always schedule this report. So if you want to receive it every night, you can go ahead and do that. For lone workers and also drivers, it really gives a good footprint of where your people have been, what they're doing, and gives you a very good idea of the information that would be pertinent to your operations. If you want to see if they were doing any speeding, what addresses they came into contact with, all of that will be here. The secondary piece of this is that you can also see any messages that were transmitted from the portal itself to the device that this person was using. And of course, all this information can be printed or exported. You can export it to Excel, PDF, KML, or GPX, which means that you can actually bring this information and overlay it on additional mapping services. That's how Activity Report works and some of the ideas that you can use around it. Thank you very much, and I look forward to our next video.